A customer with Avaya Contact Center Control Manager will provide their own database. Which two statements are accurate regarding the database? Choose 2. Option A. The database can be Microsoft SQL, MS SQL, or Sybase. Option B. The database must be MS SQL 2008. Option C. Windows database authentication can be used. Option D. SQL authentication must be activated for the database. Option E. MS SQL Express versions cannot be used. The correct answer is option C, D. A customer has Avaya Contact Center Control Manager and needs you to connect it to an Avaya Call Management System (CMS) and create a Solaris user at the root level of Configure Roles-Based Access Control (RBAC) with user database permissions on the CMS database. Which two statements are accurate regarding connecting to a CMS? Choose 2. Option A. You need to use your Solaris user. Option B. You can connect to all versions of CMS with the OpenLink driver. Option C. If connecting to CMS version of CMS or earlier, you need the OpenLink driver. If connecting to a later version, you need the IBM Informix driver. Option D. If connecting to CMS version 14.x or earlier, you need the IBM Informix driver. If connecting to a later version, you need the OpenLink driver. Option E. The CMS supervisor must be installed in the ICM server. The correct answer is option A, C. You are configuring Avaya Contact Center Control Manager and also configuring the functional server. Which statement about installing the ICE client on the ICM server is true? Option A. It is required unless the ICE server is co-resident on the ICM server. Option B. The AFS client is not compatible with ICM. Option C. The ICM contains the ICE client FU2N3 functionality. Option D. An ICE client is required on the ICM server. The correct answer is option D. A company has a Avaya Contact Center Control Manager with a Communication Manager (CM) solution. The administrator for the company has been tasked to create new employee agent login IDs effective on Monday. A job has been scheduled through the ICM schedule server on Friday to be completed Sunday night. However, Monday morning it is discovered that although the agent login IDs are in the ICM database, they do not appear in CM. What may have caused the problem? Option A. The administrator did not assign a schedule to the job. Option B. The administrator did not check enabled for the scheduled job. Option C. The administrator did not check the Save CM box in the action list for the action. Option D. The administrator did not create a task for the job. The correct answer is option C.